Alright, nigga, you better not fuck it up. I'm not gonna fuck it up. I got it, nigga.
What's up, y'all? This is your girl, Gypsy the Goddess. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So today, I'm about to show y'all how I did these little fox locks in my hair. They were supposed to be butterfly locks, but the hair was too poofy. You feel me? But yes, let's get into it, baby. So right here is me just, goofing around, whatever. I put my hair into like little parts to make it easier. Because y'all, it's my first time trying this on my own head. So, I'm just about to show y'all me parting it real quick. Make life a little simple on what I was doing. About to braid them down. This is not a tutorial, by the way, y'all. This is just me showing y'all me doing a hairstyle for the first time. Okay? It is not a tutorial. Pig. Oil that scalp, baby girl. Yes. I see you. Little fine fan. So I put my hair in plaits and stuff because I'm about to crochet it on, you know what I'm saying? So you just see me messing with it, showing y'all me about to put it into a ponytail, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'll talk to y'all when we get more into it. I left that hair out for edges, by the way, y'all.
After the picture, man, she is a fan. I do what I want, you 10 other niggas gon' do what you can. Being real on the track, I run niggas like Cyan. Run niggas like Cyan. Pussy nigga want a problem, nigga, then I solve a nigga like a math equation. All these other niggas.
So I decided to use like Jamaican twist hair. I don't know, I couldn't find like the little curly hair everybody be using at the hair store. So I just got that. I got that in like a honey blonde. And I got black in the other hair. Now the honey blonde hair is Afro twisted hair. The black hair is Jamaican hair. Just to put that out there. What made it kind of hard was like I was using my thumb to like pick out the hair while I twisted, and I don't know, I kind of lost hope in it, but I kept going. That's basically the method I used the whole time. Put my thumb in there, twist around, take my thumb out, bow, keep going. Bad, look at that. It don't look too bad, y'all. It don't look too bad. Boom. So I had to come back like the next morning because I ran out of hair. So y'all about to see me try to finish the top part for y'all at least. I didn't want to make the video too long, so I didn't record the whole process. You know what I'm saying? But just watch. Y'all will probably see how I was doing it. I got pretty close up to the camera.
Tired of playing with you niggas, man. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. I just been living in infamy. I just been living in infamy. All of these niggas, they scared of me. All of these bitches is dead to me. Anybody wanna say that they got it? No, that they ain't really got it. Anybody wanna say that they poppin'? No, that they ain't really poppin'.
So towards the top, I like made one side shorter than the other because I was going for like a little bob, and I didn't want to use so much hair, and I didn't want to underuse hair, so I just made one side longer. If I needed some more hair to make it match up, I'll add hair towards like the bottom, then I'll like flip it over, twist it back up, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's what I technically did. One side longer, other side shorter. Tell them niggas what you know about me. Ass bitches and they know about me. Get green faces, Mike Wazowski. Ass bitches and they fucking love me. When I walk in, all the bitches hug me. That's the bitches that they know I'm fucking. Cut face niggas is always mugging. Finger to palm, I'm about to snap. All of these bitches are talking, don't know they rolling. That's why they don't know how to act. I could be calling people on the fake shit, but I really ain't got time for that. Remind me Now, if y'all want to see me like doing it in slow motion, there should be like an option for y'all to put it in slow motion. Okay, because we ain't got time.
Run niggas like Cyan. Run niggas like Cyan. Pussy nigga want a problem, nigga, then I solve a nigga like a math equation. All these other niggas hating on me cause I got the gold on me like I'm Super Saiyan. All these square niggas acting like the shape of the state that I know I was born and raised in. I'm born to aces, so stacking odds against me is just another damn Vegas. Word to my nigga Vegas, another to my nigga Damon. My verse is raining, Windex flow, my verse is spraying. But time message, I'm just relaying that if you fly your shit to land. Let me stop playing. Zero niggas like Jason Tatum. I just been living in infamy. I just been living in infamy. All of these niggas, they scared of me. All of these bitches is dead to me. Anybody wanna say that they got it? Know that they ain't really got it. Anybody wanna say that they poppin'? Know that they ain't really poppin'. Infamy, infamy, infamy. I got it, nigga. Infamy, infamy, infamy. I got it, nigga. Infamy, infamy, infamy. I got it, nigga. Infamy, infamy, infamy. Yeah. Alright, nigga, you better not fuck it up. I'm not gonna fuck it up. I got it, nigga. Yeah. BG and GMC shit, you already know what the fuck going on, man. And for me, I'm tired of playing with you niggas, man. Yeah. Let's go. Fuck 'em, man. Yeah. I just been living in infamy. I just been living in infamy. All of these niggas, they scared of me. All of these bitches is dead to me. Anybody wanna say that they got it? Know that they ain't really got it. Anybody wanna say that they poppin'? Know that they ain't really poppin'. Infamy, infamy.
Bam. All right, so I'm about to see me do my edges real quick. I have to move the hair out the way. So the sideburns curl down. That's how I do it. No, that part, like my temples and stuff, I'll curl the opposite way so I can get the little messy edges or whatever. Y'all, I'm shining. So you see me doing this, bow. And yeah, I'm gonna just let y'all watch it. I'll make a video on how I do my edges.
Tell them niggas what you know about me. Ass bitches and they know about me. Get green faces, Mike Wazowski. Ass bitches and they fucking love me. When I walk in, all the bitches hug me. That's the bitches that they know I'm fucking. Cut face niggas is always mugging. Finger to palm. I'm about to.
Now, so I won't mess up like the ends from like curling. I'll only put it like on the base of my edges, like where my hair follicles is at. And I'll take like the comb side sometimes and I'll like comb it through real quick. Not all the way through, halfway through, where you're gonna lose the curl. We don't want to reheat it once it's already wet. So foul. Going back, fixing a little piece, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, I think I'll make a video for this. So it could be more detailed. But don't comb all the way through the edge. Don't do it. Just go halfway and you'll be good.
Niggas like Jason Tatum. I just been living in infamy. I just been living in infamy. All of these niggas, they scared of me. All of these bitches is dead to me. Anybody wanna say that they got it? Know that they ain't really got it. Anybody wanna say that they poppin'? Know that they ain't really poppin'. Infamy, infamy, infamy. I got it, nigga. Infamy, infamy, infamy. I got it, nigga. Infamy, infamy, infamy. I got it, nigga. Infamy, infamy, infamy. Yeah.
Alright, so y'all, we wanted to stay, you feel me? So we gonna spray some little freeze spray on it. We about to blow dry it so it won't come up as easy. But I ain't show this part, but make sure y'all put like a little bit of oil on it so it won't get all crusty. And bow, that's the finished look, y'all. Put a little hair jewelry in, you know what I'm saying? I loved it. I mean, if I like it, y'all should love it for me, you know what I'm saying? Show out, Quay. Let's go, little jip. Let's go. Thanks for watching, y'all. Y'all know I loved it. Thank you for watching this. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Gypsy the Goddess, period.
Alright, nigga, you better not fuck it up. I'm not gonna fuck it up. I got it, nigga.